How must aliens look like for space traveling? To travel in the universe, you need spaceships. To do this, you first need a functioning society, and especially then the knowledge and inventions of engineers who are spiritually developed for it. The construction requires resources, assembly halls, robots, and technicians. A diverse team enables different activities to be carried out. This requires a certain tolerance towards one another with regard to different behavior. Aliens are probably also male and female because of physical specialization, or all hermaphrodites, which can be compared on Earth with worms. To fly the spaceships, you need at least 2 eyes in addition to your brain, hands, and arms in order to be able to fly 3-dimensionally. The fact that time and space are infinite is inconceivable for man, so he keeps developing theories like the Big Bang or painting pictures of the universe that have an end. They can only be conscious within a framework, which does not exist in space, mentally limited. Man cannot make himself aware of the infinity of the universe with his head and think outside the box. Man cannot consciously imagine the infinite because his life is finite and therefore cannot understand the universe. Black holes are likely stars that, after an explosion, have expelled matter outwards, which is then compressed again by the gravitational forces of the surroundings, a process observed as 3-dimensional suction. It can be explained as to restore a universal equilibrium. It is not a tube or wormhole. Hawking had the naive idea of a gully with a drain. Some say there are gluons in the blackness of space, but it's simply nothing. Physically inconceivable that there is nothing, and this nothing is also infinite. You then feel insecure, but you are no longer so naive in thinking that everything has a beginning and an end, that it is limited. The Sun is about 109 times larger in diameter than the Earth, and people are tiny on Earth. The dangers of the universe, supernovas, black holes, are the greatest there are due to their huge size and the corresponding effects. One should take this into account and be very careful. The greatest danger for us is an imbalance in the universe caused by energy explosions and implosions. For example, Assassin 14KO, which can be countered with technology that uses Mark's formula to slow the whole light thing down. To estimate the risk, you need a digital 3D map in the computer of the universe and measuring instruments, which also shows the energies in the model. For travel the universe, we do not know to fly fast, unless one floats with the light or blows out of the darkness with a bang of energy.